some pissed off Fumo son. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off Fumo son.
I see them long, hard times to come.
So what's up, everybody? What are your thoughts on Harley-Davidson killing a couple models, but still planning on making a few models? Like I said before, I fully admit, I don't give a shit about Harley-Davidson anymore. Hell. Give me a neutral, motherfucker. Like, I don't give a fuck what Harley does anymore. I don't care about Harley-Davidson anymore. They tried to fuck me over. They did fuck me over. I lost a lot of money to them. Regardless, I already said I will not buy a new Harley-Davidson. I will buy older ones. I'll buy old 96 cubic inchers. That's what I'll buy. But so they're getting rid of 2021. No CVOs at all. There's not going to be any CVOs built. The Softail Heritage Deluxe. Now these are rumored. They're not. I don't think it's set in stone yet that they're not doing it, but it's pending or something like that. And then there was another one, and I can't remember what it is because I don't have a good memory sometimes. Come on, go. But also, like the new bikes, the Pan America, the 975 and the 1250, 1225, the Bronx, the Street Fighter bike, still planning on releasing that in 2021, the Pan America in 2021, and the custom, I don't remember what the name of it was, FXDR or something like that. No, that's the other one they're going to discontinue. The FXDR. The custom, that's all it was. It's like a Harley-Davidson custom, I believe that's all they're calling it. That is still planned to come out in 2021. But we'll see. Like I said, I don't give a shit about Harley-Davidson at all anymore. That Bronx, that Street Fighter, I'm really willing to try that bike out. You know, I'd love to take that thing for a test drive. I think there's a few cosmetic design flaws in the Pan America. I think that's ugly as sin. Kind of the front headlight, if I'm not mistaken, they kind of did the whole fat bob headlight on it, if I'm not mistaken. Kind of sort of like it. But I don't know. I guess it all just kind of remains to be seen. What exactly is going to happen? Yada yada yada. I was reading up on it today, and you know, they were talking about Harley was already in a little bit of trouble anyways. I say a little bit, they're actually in a lot. That's why they fucked me. That's why they fucked a whole bunch of us out of a shit ton of money. But also with the whole pandemic going on, a little cop over there hiding. That dude was over there earlier. He must still be sleeping. Oh, you cocksucker. Get the fuck out of my way. With the whole pandemic going on, sales have been bad. I know they closed the Harley plant here. I think they did. I'm pretty sure they did. Yeah, they did. Anyways. And I'm sure a lot of motorcycle companies were actually hurting. But when Harley-Davidson charges ridiculous amounts of money for bikes, and then they don't sell as many, well, it fucks them. Fucking handle grip is all loose and shit. I don't agree with them getting rid of the Heritage Softail Deluxe, because I can't speak for everywhere, but around here, that's actually a pretty popular bike. There's a lot of Heritage Softail Deluxes around. So that's kind of weird that that's one of the bikes on the list to suspend. But it's still, you know, it's still pending. It's not a finalized thing yet. But with this being August 2020, they probably ought to make that decision pretty quick. With there being so many different models, I would think there's other ones you could cut out. Number one, get rid of that ugly ass fat Bob piece of shit bike. That bike's junk. Get rid of it. Dude ain't got a helmet on. Yeah. Better watch your shit. Wow, turn any slower? Anyways, just a quick video. Maybe try to get your guys' thoughts on it. See what you think. You know, like I said, me personally, don't give a fuck. I have an opinion, but I still don't care. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you don't like this video, still hit that like button, simply because you want to see me succeed. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If you want to, you don't have to. I encourage you to check out one of the other videos before you do so.